I have no friends here. I have no friends here. This place feels very strange. I am from another country.
Listen to her accent.
She speaks very funny. She is like a joker. Look at her uniform now. She looks so funny. Why are you so cruel? Leave her now. Leave her alone now. I hate this new school. Wake up, my little angel. It's already morning. Today is your first day. New school, new people. Prepare yourself for new school.
Brush your teeth properly means very well.
Change your new clean uniform. We are waiting for you. Join us for breakfast. Drink, eat, and get fresh. Mom, I feel very scared.
I am nervous too.
My heart beats very fast.
You are brave, my daughter.
Life is not always easy, but we know you can do it.
She is just a little nervous. Oh, my little angel.
Everyone feels nervous on first day.
It is normal, my angel.
Thank you, Mom. I try.
"10 minutes left for school."
Hurry up, we must leave.
Welcome to our bright class. Today, we have new student.
Mila, please stand up now. Kids, welcome her. Introduce yourself to everyone. I am very nervous. My name is Mila. I am from another country.
Listen to her accent.
She speaks very funny. She is like a joker. I feel so small today.
Good, keep trying, Mila.
You will improve every day.
Thank you, ma'am.
Say that again. Funny. Joker. Enough. It is enough.
She is brave and talented. She speaks 2 languages well. Some of you cannot. Mila, please take your seat.
Come on, we're gonna be late! Wait for me by the lockers! I heard we're having pizza for lunch. Everyone looks very happy. I stand here all alone. I have no friends here. I have no friends here. This place feels very strange.
Hey, are you new student?
Yes, today is first day.
Welcome, I am Marta. We are class fellows now. Did you eat something today?
That sounds really great. No, not yet. I didn't. Let's go to canteen. Huh? What? Let's eat something.
We can eat fries together.
And hot patties also.
Here, have some pizza and burgers and tacos and ice cream.
That is too much food. I want a cup of tea and 1 patty.
Huh?
Here is your order.
Let's sit in lawn. Wow, tea and fresh patty. Give it to me now. Give it to me now. Look at her uniform now. She looks so funny. Why are you so cruel? Leave her alone now. Leave her alone now. Let's go washroom to wash it. I hate this new school. Everyone laughs at me. Not everyone is bad. Some students are kind. Come, wash your uniform. Thank you for helping. You are my friend. Today was very boring. First day is always hard. But we learn many things.
Yes, you are right. Mila, how was school?
I was nervous and scared.
But you went inside bravely. I am proud of you. How was your teacher?
She was very kind. She helped me a lot.
And that makes me happy. Let's go to car.
My sweetheart, welcome home.
How was your big day?
Not too good today. But it was interesting. I learned many lessons.
Did you make friends?
Yes, Marta helped me.
Stay close to good friends. Believe in yourself always. Confidence grows every day.
Tomorrow I will try again.
First days are never easy, but courage makes us strong, Bang.
Kind friends make school better. How was your first day? Were you scared like me?